There, girl. Stay. Lay down. Good girl. All clean back up. Dude, that thing's getting kind of rusty, though. Or not the, obviously not the plastic, but all the screws are getting rusty. We're going to have to, when we start changing stuff out. Yeah, even those, oh, look at all of them. They're all getting rusty. Oh.
What parts? What other parts?
Oh, what's that?
What other parts?
I think it's just the screws. Those screws are, a bunch of the screws are getting bad. So
Yeah.
we're going to have to swap them out. I've got a set of screws that are
Oh yeah, Nate just got stainless steel.
stainless steel. Yeah, I've got them around here somewhere. Here they are. A bunch of them. That one might be worth. I've been saving them because I haven't needed them. So here. So stainless steel screws. Start replacing out the screws as you replace parts, and we'll then that won't save the old screws. Maybe I can clean them up a bit.
I'm gonna test the steering because it really sounds.